Morning all. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important question of different types of wholesalers. So it can be included to the in different types of wholesalers some points. So first one, merchant wholesaler. Uh, this wholesale and suppliers own and produce the product or service and resell their products, and reseller and retailer, distributors and other wholesalers. So in this wholesaler, it can be supplies to the in a own and produce a product, and it can be service also in own. It can be resell there in product to the in resellers and retailers and distributors also. In this in merchant wholesaler, it can be in product distribution to the in resellers, retailers and distributors and other wholesalers also. So it is also in a main to the in merchant wholesaler role. If you can buy the in products, you require in direct from the suppliers. So in this in merchant wholesaler, it can be in buy the product. So it can be in direct suppliers also. So it can be using the in a best prices and profit margins also. So it is also in a merchant wholesaler. So in shortly in this in merchant reseller, so it can be in produce the product in only, and it can be in own service also. It can be in product sell the in resellers, retailers and distributors and other wholesalers also, like the in merchant wholesaler. So next one, general wholesaler. So wholesaler in that fall into the category will usually buy the large quantities of product from one or more suppliers, and will be intending the in value to them by reselling the smaller quantities a distributor, reseller and reseller. So general wholesalers, like the wholesaler category, it is also in fall. After that, it can be in general wholesalers also in entire. So it can be in by the in large quantities of product. So in this person, it can be in by the larger quantities of products. So it can be supplying to the, it can be supplying and reselling to the in smaller quantities of in distributors, like the retailers and resellers. So it is the in role of in general wholesaler. So this type of wholesaler in supplier will the often have the multiple suppliers, adding the advertising to their product range and choice of their in customers. So after that, so in a wholesaler, a supply will the in a using whether in additional in promotional methods also. After that, it can be in a product in distribution and product selling also. It can be in increasing. So this type of in wholesaler maybe in resell the products from number of in different industries and in several different categories. So general wholesaler, it can be using by the in a it can be in adding by the in promotional methods also. It can be in a different industries and in different categories to the in resell of the product. So this is the in general wholesaler. So next one, specialty wholesalers. In specialty wholesalers in will resell the product in a specific industry or product category. So in this wholesalers also, it can be in specific category and specific industry of the products, but may have product from the multiple suppliers. So in this product in sell to the in multiple suppliers also, because the in specialty wholesaler in specialized in a specific industry or product type. So tend to in good product knowledge and good pricing. So it is also in particular product also in fixing, in particular industry also fixing. They can after that it can be supplying to the particular industry and particular product. So it can be in product also in good, and a product also it can be pricing declared to the in good pricing. So this is also in specialty wholesalers. Next one, specific in product wholesaler. So this wholesaler who wholly supply one type of product. So in this wholesalers also in single product also, it can be in a sell the product. So like in footwear, like a footwear or computers, they may supply to the several brands, but only within the one product category. So in several brands also in available, but it can be in supply to the only single category of product. So manufacturer often use this type of wholesaler to distribute one or more their products. So manufacturers, it can be in a distribution to the in a more than products also. It is also in specific wholesalers. So next one, discount wholesalers. This type of wholesaler will supply the significantly and discounted to the stock. So in these wholesalers, it can be in discount to the stock of their products. Generally, stock is discounted in because the products are discounted lines and return goods and refurbished goods also. So it can be in a discount to the in products like the in discount lines, return to the products also. Next one, dropship wholesalers. These wholesalers will complete the sale of products, but will have the dispatched from their suppliers in directly their customer. So these wholesalers in a totally products also in a distributed and but will have the dispatched from their suppliers. So any suppliers it can be dispatched, so it can be directly their customers, so it can be direct contact or direct communication or a direct in a direct to the in shop without the actually handing to the in goods. So it can be in a without the in actually handing to the in goods also. Online wholesaler. The online wholesaler who sell their products online, so offer in discounted prices as they can reduce their overheads such as rent rates of the physical premises. This type of wholesale is therefore able to add lower percentage to their purchase of price and still make the margin. So online wholesalers sell products there in a online offer. So it can be discounted to the prices in there. It reduce the in a list. So list of the prices. So and a lower percentage of their in price. It can be in a still making to the in a margin of products also. So this is the in a different types of wholesalers. Thank